Looking for the best Galaxy Fold deals? Watch this video to see the best deals for the Galaxy Fold phone. According to Samsung's official site, the price for the Galaxy Z Fold2 phone is $2,000. This is huge. I must admit that the Galaxy Z Fold2 looks amazing, but the price is huge. Be sure to check the links in the description to get the updated prices. If you are looking for a better deal on a folding phone, have a look at these two models. Samsung Galaxy Fold Renewed from Amazon, which costs $1,099.98. This product works and looks like new, and it costs only a fraction of the cost of a Galaxy Z Fold2 phone. The second option is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip Factory Unlocked Cell Phone, which costs $1,180. Galaxy Z Flip is an expansive new smartphone experience with completely reimagined compact engineering and revolutionary folding glass technology in your pocket. Easy to fold, easy to hold, Galaxy Z Flip sleek compact fold design flips closed for pocket-sized portability. Slip the cell phone into a pocket or bag and go. Check the links in the description for details on each phone.